The cabinet is going to be wall mounted, and for that reason, I decided on a plywood back rather than a traditional frame and panel, since I'll be attaching a French cleat to it. At first I thought I might use a rabbeting bit for the back panel after the carcass was glued up, and then chisel out square corners. The issue being that I couldn't just run a full rabbet down the length of my sides because the cut would be exposed through the dovetails. But then I learned about this technique using the table saw where you can raise and lower the blade with set stops so as not to expose the cut through the joinery. This way I could repeat my cut depth and safely start my cut as I slowly raise the blade into my piece.